Hello, embedded engineers and developers and all of you professional makers. Welcome to In Case You Missed It, Embedded Insights, the weekly news show all about embedded technologies and solutions from embedded computing design. We were off last week because of the 4th of July holiday here in the U.S., but now it's Friday, July 11th, 2025, and I'm Ken Briodagh, Editor-in-Chief of Embedded Computing Design, and these are our top stories for this week. Ambiq recently announced that its Apollo510 SoC is now supported on the Edge Impulse development platform, allowing design teams to develop and deploy efficient and scalable AI for edge devices in application areas like speech recognition, computer vision, healthcare monitoring, and industrial automation. So that's pretty exciting. And sticking with the Edge AI trend, our next item is a column from Stephen Greene, who is the Vice President of Global Marketing for Advanced Computing at Penguin Solutions. In this new column that we've published this week, he writes about designing resilient edge AI systems and how designing for these systems requires more than traditional IT knowledge. It demands a blend of skills, foresight, and lessons learned from years of IoT evolution. Make sure you give that one a read. Pretty cool column. In our next story, Candera has announced that its CGI Studio is now fully compatible with the latest QNX software development platform, which benefits applications in automotive and medical markets specifically. And the new HMI development that it enables will reportedly allow designers to create applications that meet increasing user experience expectations and performance demands. Finally, we are featuring global Foundaries, which has announced that it has come into an agreement to acquire MIPS. It's big news. This expands the company's portfolio of customizable IP offerings, enabling it to expand its process technologies with IP and software facilities. The deal is awaiting traditional closing terms, including necessary regulatory approvals, and is estimated, they say, to be finished in the last half of this year, 2025. That's it for this week. Make sure you look for the In Case You Missed It LinkedIn newsletter for even more stories that you don't want to miss every week, coming out every Monday on LinkedIn. So you make sure you're subscribed there. Meanwhile, subscribe right here to our YouTube channel so you don't miss any of our programs, including our weekly Dev Kit Weekly show that comes out on Wednesdays, our Embedded Toolbox show that comes out about once a month. Visit embeddedcomputing.com for all the news in the embedded computing space, and follow us on LinkedIn and all across the web. Please reach out if you'd like to become an advertiser here on In Case You Missed It or any of our shows as a sponsor or advertiser. But that is our show for this week. Make sure you never miss an episode of In Case You Missed It, Embedded Insights. I'm Ken Briodagh, your Editor-in-Chief, and I'll see you next week.